think we're taking this too far. Don't you want Dream Island? Yeah, sure, I do. But we don't actually have to capture Leafy, do we? Yes, we do. Why? Because if we let Leafy escape, she'll steal Dream Island. Pen, which way do we go? That way. Pen. Just use the Leafy detector. Leafy detector? I mean, pride prospect when you can be tenant. Mosquito, we can't do. Hey guys, look! What? I didn't make it? That's impossible! Of course you didn't, but I'm a wonderful book. I guess people judge you by your cover. Hey! Wait. Hey! Wait. Hey! Wait. Hey, what's this? BFDIA game rules. Probably the green one. Just a small person will not compete. That's unfortunate. See, I knew I would make it. No way I can't stand your cover. So who's the host gonna be? I think TV should be the host. After all, he was the closest to the announcer. Hey, Eraser, any more rules? Oh yeah. We too. Eliminated contestants must be killed. Wait, what? Oh, eliminated contestants must be true with TLC. Oh, okay. Let's split into teams. I think one team should have the original contestants, and the other should have the newbies. Hey, our team's smaller than the other one, so what? Sometimes you just have to deal with it. What? I said, sometimes you just have to deal with it. Well, sometimes you just have to deal with getting slapped. Well, sometimes you have to deal with getting stabbed. Well, sometimes you have to deal with being set ablaze. Sometimes maybe you should just calm down. Sometimes maybe Firey's right. Sometimes maybe Firey's wrong.
Sometimes maybe one player switches teams, they'll be equal.
Sometimes maybe it won't be me. We'll choose match. Yeah. But Pencil and I have to stick together. You'll pay for that donut. Rule 3. Spin a wheel to choose the next contest. We'll spin it already. I'm getting impatient. One more rule. Before a contest, players may switch teams if they want. OMG, I'm like going back then. I'm full on match. I'd rather be on the stronger team. B2. Wait, I like my screen like this. See, OMG Pencil, me too. Really? I like mine like this. Well, I like mine like this. Let's all show our favorite screens. Stop it, people. I'm switching teams. Hey, Finn, why don't you switch too? Yo, Finn, you really need to switch. Like, you cannot believe how much you need to switch. I highly recommend that you switch. Just go switch. Yeah, Finn, you should switch. What? I ain't trying to explain. Nay, okay, I switched. Finally. Did we lose? Yeah, we lost. We should have won. I agree. Do not comment to vote. Instead, rate these videos. Has this ever happened to you? You want to find out where Leaky is, but you don't know where Leaky is. Well, do we have the solution for you? Why our new Leaky detector as soon as you possibly can? Why might I ever want to do that, you ask? Here's why. Our lovely little lettuce-colored locator is a revolutionary new type of BB locator. By now,